Yeah, I'd been away on a camp with the Army cadets. I'm an Army cadet instructor, and I'd got myself a little blister, just a tiny one on my left thumb. I come home from work one Friday on a bank holiday, and I'd got a really bad pain in the base of my thumb. So anyway, we went to the hospital, sat around, had a blood test done, and the nurses mentioned that it could be an infection, but the doctor come in after looking at the X-rays I had taken and said it was tendonitis. He sort of insisted it was tendonitis, gave me a splint and sent me home. That was on the Friday, and that's really the last thing I remember until possibly 3 weeks later when I woke up after being in a coma. Didn't know then that I'd lost my left arm. My right arm had been opened from right up to ease the swelling. I didn't accept that I'd lost my arm to begin with. My daily activities have obviously changed immensely. I need help getting dressed, just doing simple things like showering and cleaning myself. Hobbies, I've had to give up. Like, I used to be an avid carp fisherman. I had to give that up. I still manage to do the Army cadets, although I don't do it to the level that I used to. I can't shoot anymore. I managed to pretty much do a sedentary role. My career was brought to a halt. Being sent away after having a blood test, and that was ignored. I felt there was an injustice with my treatment. I needed to claim for my future, really. I chose Blackwater Law straight away after just one phone call, and I've never regretted it from that day to this. So they were very personable. I was there within a couple of hours, which I thought was amazing. It was a long, slow process, but Jason kept us informed all the way. He arranged for rehabilitation services for me to get my life back on track. He gave Michelle some emotional support as well. If ever there was a problem or I was getting a bit frustrated with the whole process, Jason made sure that he spent time talking us through it, calming us down, letting us know that it would come to an end. It seemed like we were the only case that he was working on, and that can't be true. But that's how he made us feel, that we were his priority all the way through, from start to finish. Jason and the barrister together managed to get us the best possible outcome, in my opinion. Our future's settled. There's peace of mind for our children. They spent so much time reassuring us, giving us the emotional support we needed, and absolutely 100% I would recommend Blackwater Law to anyone who needs, just even if they just need advice, go see Blackwater Law.